Hello and welcome to this video tutorial on how to implement a solution for finding the next greater element for each element of the array in order of their appearance in the array. This function takes in a vector of long integers, r, and an integer, n, as input. The goal of this function is to find the next larger element for each element in the input vector. First, we declare an empty vector called nonce, which will be used to store our final output. We also initialize a stack called st, which will be used to keep track of the elements in our input vector. Next, we start a for loop that iterates through the input vector in reverse order. For each element, we check if the stack is empty. If it is, we set the corresponding element in the answer vector to -1. This indicates that there is no next larger element. If the stack is not empty, we enter a while loop. This loop continues as long as the top element of the stack is less than or equal to the current element in the input vector. For each iteration, we pop the top element from the stack. After the while loop, we check again if the stack is empty. If it is, we set the corresponding element in the answer vector to -1. If the stack is not empty, we set the corresponding element in the answer vector to the top element of the stack. Finally, we push the current element from the input vector onto the stack. This completes one iteration of the for loop. Once the for loop has completed, we return the answer vector which contains the next larger element for each element in the input vector. And that's it. We have successfully implemented a solution to find the next larger element for each element in a vector. I hope this video was helpful, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask in comments. Thank you for watching.